Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Tom. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, what do you think about subscribing now so you don't miss any content?
And I'm Emma. We're so happy you are here with us today to practice your English.
Today we have a very important topic. It is something we do every single day.
That's right, Tom. We are talking about daily routine.
Yes, how to describe your day from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. It's perfect for beginners.
Before we start, if you like learning English with us, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
And it makes us very happy. Okay, Emma, let's start at the beginning. What is the first thing you do every day?
Well, every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock, but I don't get out of bed immediately. I stay in bed for 5 minutes.
Me too. I wake up, I look at my phone, and then I say, oh no, it's time to get up.
Exactly. So everyone, let's repeat that slowly. I wake up.
And then I get up. There's a small difference, right, Emma?
Yes, wake up is when you open your eyes. Get up is when you actually leave the bed.
Very clear. After I get up, I go to the kitchen. I am very sleepy, so I make coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning.
Oh, I prefer tea. I make a cup of tea and then I eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast, Emma?
I usually eat cereal or toast with jam. It's quick and easy. What about you?
I like eggs. I fry 2 eggs and eat them with bread. It gives me energy for the day.
That sounds healthy. After breakfast, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth.
That is very important. I brush my teeth too, and then I take a shower.
Do you like cold showers or hot showers, Tom?
Oh, always hot. I can't take cold showers, even in the summer.
I understand. After my shower, I get dressed. I choose my clothes, usually jeans and a t-shirt, and I get ready for work.
For me, getting dressed is fast. I just pick the first shirt I see.
I can tell, Tom. Just kidding. You look great.
Thank you. Now, let's repeat these key phrases for our friends listening. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed.
Very good. Now, after I am ready, I leave the house. I usually leave at 8:30 a.m. How do you go to work, Tom? Do you drive?
No, I don't drive. I take the bus. The bus stop is near my house. It takes about 20 minutes to get to my office.
I like walking. If the weather is nice, I walk to work. It's good exercise.
That's true. When I arrive at the office, I start work. The first thing I do is check my emails.
Ugh, I hate checking emails. There are always so many. I prefer to have a meeting with my team first to plan the day.
At 1 o'clock, it is my favorite time of the day, lunchtime.
Me too. I usually eat lunch with my friends. We go to a small cafe near the office.
I often bring my lunch from home, a sandwich or a salad. It saves money.
That is a smart idea. Let's practice that phrase. I eat lunch.
And another one, I work on my computer.
In the afternoon, I sometimes feel a bit tired, so I have a snack, maybe an apple or some chocolate.
Chocolate is always a good idea. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I am always happy when it's 5 o'clock.
Me too. I go home immediately. Sometimes I go shopping at the supermarket on my way home because I need food for dinner.
When I get home, I like to relax. I sit on the sofa and watch TV for a little bit.
I prefer to exercise. I go for a run or I go to the gym. It helps me relax after a long day of work.
You are very active, Emma. After I watch TV, I cook dinner. I like cooking pasta. It's very simple.
Pasta is delicious. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't like it, but I have to do it.
I have a dishwasher, so I am lucky. Then, in the evening, I read a book or listen to music.
I like to call my mom or talk to my friends on the phone in the evening. It's nice to chat.
And finally, around 10:30 p.m., I feel sleepy. I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and then I go to bed.
I set my alarm for the next morning and then I fall asleep.
Let's repeat those final phrases. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed.
That was a full day. Everyone, think about your routine. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. Do you drink coffee or tea? Do you wake up early or late? We want to read your stories.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. You are doing a great job.
Keep practicing every day. Small steps lead to big progress.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.